I wanted to make a quick video and tell you what the install was like for my Torque Solutions shifter, short shifter on my Mark 7 GTI before it gets dark out, you know. So let me open the windows, let's get in there, I'll pop the hood. Yeah, you know you like that.
Lady with the cigarette, are you the one I came to see?
You could thank the OBDeleven scan tool for that little function. I have a video coming out about that. There's plenty of them online, but not by me. It took me just a little while to do it. There was nothing really difficult about it. As long as you have WD-40, you'll be able to put that down on that stem that comes out of the transmission right there. ShopDAP said that it was really difficult to pull that thing off that spline. Little WD-40 and you'll be able to pull that thing right up. So you don't need crowbars, you don't need anything too crazy, so yeah, it's pretty fun, man. Anyways, let's open it up, dude. Really easy install. You just got to take this off, no problem. Once that's off, you'll have to take your heat shield off. You don't need to take the battery out. You don't need to take the battery case out. You can get right to it. And yeah, you use a 13mm for the spline, and you can use a flathead for both of the clamps that come with it. Everything else is pretty much by hand. And make sure when you put it back on, you tighten it down to 25 Newton meters. So let's go into the car, and yeah. So check this out. You see that? Did you see me reach for the old shifter? The old shifter is probably like that high. This one's awesome. Listen to that. That's already first. And now I'm in second. Neutral's like right there, man. Third already. Okay, so on the actual arm, you're gonna have like the option to adjust it further or closer to the spline. I put it about 25% of the way away from the spline. So my shifts are gonna be like really tight. If I feel like it, I can go back in there and, you know, move it further away or
whatever I want to do, really.
Couldn't find any videos online about how to install it, so I actually just kind of watched a spooling video, which was very similar. I'll go ahead and put a link to that below. And yeah, this is a great choice. I think it was like 140 bucks, 150 bucks on sale or something like that. So it's a great choice, good way to go. You can get the shifter end links, the bushings for that. You can get the actual short shifter. You can get the APR bracket, and then of course the Black Forest Industries shift knob of your liking. So that's what I did, guys. It was pretty much worth it. I mean, I think it's like $400 for the upgrade. Feels great.
Feels awesome. Feels fantastic.
That's the Torque Solutions short shifter. It's adjustable, it's aluminum, lightweight. You can feel the shifts like right through the shift knob there. I got the BFI Shifter, so that's really cool too. Wanted to make a quick video and just tell you how I felt about it. Feels great, buy it. ECS Tuning has it, it's called a Never Miss a Shift Kit. You can pick it up right now. Thanks for watching this really short video, and stay tuned for my next one because I've got to do the downpipe. Well, the downpipe's already done, but I've got to let you guys know how that went. It's a new speed catted downpipe. Went great, runs awesome. I'm stage 2 right now through MA Performance. I got a whole review coming up about that. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Keep watching them and I'll be able to keep pushing through. I'll see you later.